A couple of videos back, I showed you guys how with these pepper plants that I'm starting indoors, just as an experiment to show you guys some videos, I chopped off the top of the pepper plants. It's called topping off. So you'll see where I cut right there, and then on this one, I just chopped it off right at the top. And it's called topping off, and you can already see it's probably only been a week or so. See all the new growth coming all over the place from the main stem and over here. See all the new growth that's coming out of the middle on the main stem in different places. So what that does, topping off, that promotes new growth, and it just makes your pepper plants more bushy and more full. So that's something that you guys can do if you do peppers this year. You could experiment with it. You could try topping off one of your peppers or a couple of your peppers, and then half of them don't top them off, and compare and see if you like that method better. It's not a requirement or anything, but just something you can experiment with different kinds of peppers and see if it gets you more peppers on the plant. Follow along for more tips.